Hello? Yeah. Yeah. So now, for example, if you say pH plus pOH is 14, right? Now write down few small questions to do solve. So if I say the H plus ion concentration, the H plus ion concentration in a solution is 3.2 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 moles per liter. Calculate the OH negative ions concentration in this. So I don't have to write down molar concentration. The square bracket basically means moles per liter. So calculate the OH negative ion concentration in the solution. In the solution. So what does it mean basically? So we know that in any solution, the product of the H plus ion into OH negative ion is always 10 raised to the power minus 14 mole square per liter square at 25 degrees Celsius. And in the question, the H plus ion concentration is given to me as what? 3.2 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 into OH negative, and that shall give me 10 raised to the power minus 14. So 10 OH negative ion concentration shall be, so 10 raised to the power minus 14 divided by 3.2 into 10 raised to the power minus 6. So this is going to become 10 raised to the power minus 14 and this is going to go up. So it is going to become minus and minus 6 because when bases are same and in division, the powers get subtracted, divided by 3.2. So the OH negative ion concentration here shall be 10 raised to the power minus 14 plus 6 over 3.2. So you have 10 over 32 into 10 raised to the power minus 8. This much moles per liter is the concentration of OH negative ion concentration. So you will calculate, it shall be 2 5s are 2 16s are. So 16 C's are 48. So effectively this is going to become 0.3 into 10 raised to the power minus 8. So 3 into 10 raised to the power minus 9 moles per liter shall be the concentration of the OH ions in this particular solution. Are you understanding? Right? So the next question that we can do is, the question says the pH of a solution is 3. Calculate its pOH, the H plus ion concentration, and the OH negative ion concentration. This is what you are supposed to calculate. So this is a very important question because this shall be applied now going forward in lots and lots of other questions. So it says the pH of solution is 3. Calculate its H plus and OH plus. What exactly does it mean, you see? When I talk about the pH of a solution is 3, so I will say pH equals to minus times log of H plus, isn't it?
Yes.
So when nothing is written, the base is 10 here. The base is 10. So the question tells me the pH is 3. Also, the another formula that I have is that pH plus pOH is 14 for every solution at 25 degrees Celsius. So we are going to solve all my questions at 25 degrees Celsius. So I hope you're understanding that when we are talking about the pH of the solution is 3. So calculate its pOH, H plus and OH negative ion concentration. What do you understand from this? You see pH plus pOH is 14.
Yes.
pH plus pOH is 14. And the pH is given to me as 3. So let's put in the value of pH here. So 3 plus pOH is going to be 14. So pOH is going to be 14 minus 3 and it is going to be 11. So pOH we have calculated very quickly by using a very simple formula, right? But when we are talking about pH equals to minus times log of H plus ion concentration, that is equals to 3. How do you think I should be able to calculate H plus? Tell me. Don't you think I can write down 10 raised to power minus 3 because it is equals to 3? So 10 raised to power. So what am I supposed to do? Just have a look here. I'm going to say just bring this minus here. So this becomes log of H plus ion concentration to the base 10 is minus 3. Yes or no?
Yes.
And thereby 10 raised to power minus 3 shall give me H plus. So what shall be H plus? H plus shall be 10 raised to power minus 3, isn't it? So I have got the concentration of H plus ion concentration, that is 10 raised to power minus 3 moles per liter.
Right.
And when I get this particular value of 10 raised to power minus 3 moles per liter, what do you understand from this part? You understand. What do you understand? So you know H plus ion concentration into OH negative ion concentration is going to be 10 raised to power minus 14 always. That means if I have H plus ion concentration as 10 raised to power minus 3 that I've just calculated, don't you think I should multiply this with OH negative and that shall be 10 raised to power minus 14? So OH negative concentration shall be 10 raised to power minus 14 over 10 raised to power minus 3.
Right. Yeah.
So OH negative ion concentration here shall be 10 raised to power minus 14 plus 3, and here it is going to be 10 raised to power minus 11. And that is a concept. You understand? So OH negative OH concentration here shall be 10 raised to power minus 11. So what a simple question it was, but it seemed tricky. The pH is given to you, and the question says calculate its pOH, H plus, and OH negative. So you write down the formula of pH plus pOH is 14. Put in the value of pH, calculate pOH. Then you know the formula H plus into OH negative is 10 raised to the minus 14. But the point is you need to calculate the H plus ion concentration. And how would you do that? You put the formula of minus times log of H plus, that is equals to 3. You bring minus here, it becomes minus 3. So log of H plus to the base 10 equals to minus 3. So do you understand that 10 raised to power minus 3 is equals to H plus? Do you understand? And thereby
Yeah.
10 raised to power minus 3 equals to H plus ion concentration. So we have H plus ion concentration now in terms of moles per liter. And
Yes.
we put this value of H plus here in the main formula so as to get the concentration of OH negative ion concentration. Because when you divide, so when power bases are same and powers are when bases are same and in division, so the powers get subtracted. So minus 14 plus 3 shall become minus 11. So OH negative ion concentration here shall be 10 raised to the power minus 11 moles per liter. Are you understanding my point?
Yes.
So that is the concept.
Okay.
Understood,
Right.
right?